You are playing your favorite game, things are intense but going right. Your eyes are on the final goal. While unlocking that final goal, enemies start attacking from nowhere, but you need to get this done. Finally, you are back into the fight, surrounded by enemies. You scan for a better vantage point, but you didn't see it coming. Suddenly, you get circle strafed by an enemy NPC. You are fighting for dear life, but he gets you. How do you make an NPC circle strafe the player? Circle strafing while firing consists of two actions: fire while moving and circle around the target. Let's start with point 1, firing while moving. Add an attack value to the behavior E now. Create an attack behavior tree. Run the custom find cover task and the use cover behavior trees in sequence. This doesn't sound like an attack move. Well, this is because we are changing the use cover behavior tree to only move to the cover location and use it, also known as crouch. But how is this causing the NPC to attack the player? Before we get to that, let's first add the attack behavior tree to the main behavior tree. Behavior trees work from left to right. After adding the blackboard decorator and setting the condition, set the observer board of the blackboard decorator to a board lower. Why do we do this? This makes attacking the most important behavior, as it is the leftmost behavior and everything following is lower priority. By tweaking the service interval values of the perception and behavior services, we can slow down or speed up NPC behavior. Once done, create an attack target behavior task. Update the move behavior tree by adding a simple parallel node to the selector and have it run move to and attack target at the same time. Finish the attack target task. Set the focal point to the aim location and instruct the NPC to start firing. In the move behavior tree, add the blackboard decorator on the simple parallel node and set the blackboard key to can attack. Let's pause here for a second and recap what is happening. The attack behavior tree finds cover and run the use cover behavior tree. The use cover behavior tree run the move behavior tree and then crouch. The move behavior tree will move to a location or move to a location while attacking.
What?
This will all be explained later. Next up is to manage NPC attack behavior. Create a game instance blueprint. Create a function to add attackers to attackers array. Create a function to remove the attacker from the attackers array. Set the input of each function as the type of the NPC controller. Create a function to handle attack requests. This function will validate the length of the attacker array against the max attacker's integer variable. If the length is below, it will add the attacker to the array and update can attack on the blackboard to true. Create an attack done function to remove the attacker from the array and update the can attack on the blackboard to false. Create an attack behavior tree service. The purpose of this service is to request the game instance for an opportunity to attack. Add the attack service to the selector in the attack behavior tree. Add the game instance to the project settings. Next up is circle around the target. To do this, we require an EQS query to return the closest points around the last known location. Create a blueprint event to execute the EQS query and store the points in a vector array. Create a find strafe location behavior tree task to get the points returned from the EQS query and use the first entry in the array to set the blackboard key. Update the attack behavior tree by adding a sequence. The sequence will first run the find strafe location task and then execute the move behavior tree. Add a can strafe property to the blackboard. Use the can strafe property in the blackboard decorator on the sequence. This brings us to the answer of why doing things this way. The NPC can now either attack while moving between cover or while circle strafing. But wait, there's more. For this to work correctly, update the move and behavior tree service to check if the NPC is strafing. Create a flanking behavior tree service. This service will take the last known blackboard property as input and evaluate if it's less than a specified distance from the NPC. If this is the case, the NPC will update can flank on the blackboard to true. Add the flanking behavior tree service to the selector in the attack behavior tree and set the properties. The result should then look something like this. NPCs moving closer using cover, and when close enough, break from cover and start circle strafing while firing. What if we do not want all the NPCs to circle strafe at once? Well, the solution is similar to attack management. In the game instance, create a function to add flankers to a flanker array. Then create a function to remove a flanker from the flanker array. Also create a function to handle flank requests. This function will validate the length of the flanker array against the max flankers integer variable. If the length is below, it will add a flanker to the array and update can flank on the blackboard to true. Create a flank done function to remove the flanker from the flanker array and update can flank on the blackboard to false. Next is to update the flanking behavior tree service. The service will now request the game instance to flank when the NPC is close to the player. The results should now look different. NPCs move closer using cover, and when close enough, one NPC will break from cover and start circle strafing while firing. Thank you for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one.